Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. It's been a long journey to step back inside, but today we finally get to. This is our first look at our home we're restoring and preserving. Soon we'll share the exterior, the land, and the barn, but for now, take a look inside with us. This is just the beginning. Right now, the house is worn, tired, and in need of care, but there's so much history here, and we can't wait to bring it back to life. Restoring a home like this isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about honoring the past, preserving craftsmanship, and making sure this place stands strong for another 200 years. There's a lot of work ahead, and we know there will be challenges. Some we can already see, and others we'll uncover along the way. But that's part of the journey. If you're as excited as I am to see this house come back to life, I'd love for you to follow along. Subscribe and turn on notifications, like this video, and you'll be here for every step. The surprises, the struggles, the moments where everything finally comes together. And if you've ever taken on a project like this or something about this house that caught your eye, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.